In today's video, I'll be discussing how long it typically takes to get a TN visa or TN visa status. Welcome, my name is Jeremy Richards and I am a U.S. immigration lawyer with the law offices of Richards and Jurusik, where we dedicate our practice solely to U.S. immigration law. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so you can see upcoming videos and content about U.S. immigration law, and like it so other people out there that are looking for similar content can also find it. Today I'll be discussing how long it typically takes to get a TN visa. If you are a Canadian citizen, you have a couple of options to apply for a TN visa. One is you can apply in person at a qualifying port of entry or pre-flight inspection point at an airport. When you do this, you would bring all your qualifying documents with you to that interview. Some ports of entry require interviews ahead of time, so make sure you check carefully with the procedures at each port of entry. When you appear for your interview, they will typically adjudicate and make a decision on your case within 30 minutes to an hour, and you will receive that decision. And you will be, if you are approved, you will be admitted and stamped under TN visa status and allowed entry to the United States to start work immediately. So if you're applying in person, it's a rather quick process. Once those documents are in order, you appear in person and that decision is given to you immediately. If you're a Canadian and you file by mail for your TN visa, the duration it takes to get it can be a little bit longer. You have two options. You can file regular processing, and regular processing right now we are seeing take about 3 to 6 months. If you file premium processing, it's an extra cost, but it does expedite the process of your case. USCIS through premium processing must make a decision within 15 days of filing with them. Now these filing times need to also take into account the preparation of the case before filing, as well as if USCIS issues what's called a request for evidence. If USCIS issues a request for evidence, it can add to the processing time of your case. Even with premium processing, where they promise a decision within 15 days, if they issue a request for evidence, it will reset the clock until a response is given to that request for evidence. Once the response is received, then they have an additional 15 days to make a decision on a case. If it is filed through regular processing and they issue a request for evidence, the clock also resets. Once they receive the response to the request for evidence, typically you would receive a decision within 90 days of responding to a request for evidence through standard processing. If you have any other questions about how to obtain or apply for a TN visa or obtain TN visa status, we can help. We deal with Canadian and Mexican citizens on a regular basis and help them obtain TN visa status. If you have any other questions about U.S. immigration law, we'd also be glad to help. You can give us a call, send us an email, or visit our website. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel so you can see upcoming videos about U.S. immigration law, and also give it a thumbs up so other people out there looking for similar content can find it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.